In this video, you'll learn the most common welding defects, what causes them, and how they appear on radiographic inspection. 1. Porosity. Porosity consists of gas pockets trapped inside the weld metal. On a radiograph, it appears as small round or oval dark spots, either scattered or clustered. 2. Slag Inclusion. Slag inclusion is non-metallic slag trapped inside the weld. In radiography, it usually appears as elongated or irregular dark indications. 3. Lack of fusion. Lack of fusion occurs when the weld metal fails to fuse with the base metal or a previous weld pass. On an X-ray, it appears as a straight or slightly irregular dark line. 4. Incomplete penetration. Incomplete penetration means the weld does not fully penetrate the joint root. In radiography, it appears as a straight dark line at the center of the weld. 5. Crack. Cracks are the most critical welding defects because they can grow under service loads. On radiographs, they appear as very thin, sharp, dark lines. 6. Undercut. Undercut is a groove melted into the base metal beside the weld toe. It is mainly detected by visual inspection, but severe undercuts may also be visible on radiographs. 7. Burn-through. Burn-through occurs when excessive heat creates a hole through the joint. On a radiograph, it appears as a large, irregular dark area. 8. Tungsten Inclusion, GTAW. Tungsten inclusion occurs when tungsten particles become trapped in the weld. Unlike most defects, it appears as bright or light indications on a radiograph because tungsten has a very high density. 9. Excessive reinforcement. Excessive reinforcement means too much weld metal is deposited on the joint. On radiographs, it appears as a lighter band due to the increased weld thickness. 10. Root concavity. Root concavity is a depression at the root caused by insufficient root reinforcement. On a radiograph, it appears as a dark, narrow indication along the weld root. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other welding professionals.